Good morning everybody, happy Saturday. Today's December 10th, 2005. And I just want to make this quick tutorial on how to pluralize strings in PHP. Let me show you this Yahoo Answers screenshot. Do you guys remember this? So do you guys see the one answers right here? And we need to make it say one answer, and the S needs to be there only if it's greater than 1. So first, let's create a file called pluralize.php. Let's open this puppy up, and we need to create a function here. I like to just do PHP tags at the beginning. We can do function pluralize and then the string, and close that out. For this example, we can get the first character of the string using substring, just like this. And if this is greater than 1, we are going to return the string and then concatenate the S at the end of it, and return string at the end. So let's see what happens if we do like 14 answer. So let's save this puppy, and we can come down here and call, let's say if we do like 2 answer, it will show 2 answers because the first character is greater than 1, but it doesn't work if we have 2 digits right there. Here is being evaluated, so we need to fix the part at the beginning, and we can use preg match for this, and we're going to use some excuse me, we're going to use some regex here, and it's going to look, we're going to get, if it's the match is going to be digits 0 through 9. It's going to capture that group and the string and then matched. Let me make it a little bit smaller so you can see the whole line. Okay, so now let's close that out. So now if we just do matched, if this is going to be greater than 1, guess what? So now we can just do return string and add the S at the end. Boom, baby, let's go. Okay, so this one, we save it, and let's execute this puppy. We get 14 answers. And then if we do 1, we get 1 answer. The S is gone. And if you have like 190, see? Let's say that you need to add commas here so the number is formatted correctly, because right now it just shows 14,531, but you want to add some commas. So you need to add a second capturing group up here in the regex, and you do it just like this, and that's going to get all the digits after the digits that are first captured right here. And then in this statement, we need to change this to if matched. Well, that's going to be the same, is greater than 1. We're going to return, we're just going to use number format on matched, and then we're going to append the rest of the string. Right here is going to be right here. Then we're going to add the S, just like that. And then we save this puppy, and let's execute. Boom, 14,531 answers.